Hello everybody, it's Dave's Eye here. It is Wednesday, June 15th, 2022, and I'm going to play a song for you today, live from my Cludio. The song is one I wrote, it's called Reset Button. It goes a bit like this. To the top, have this great disconnect. There's got no conception of all they have wrecked, treasure they have wasted, and the lives they have lost. They don't think in terms of the actual cost. And living palaces, we live in graves, and over in all that old glory ways, symbol that no longer means what is right, just rather an empire that's saying goodnight. Yeah, one of these days we'll hit the reset button, and then just like that, like all of a sudden, power and the influence of the oligarchy will all fall apart. We'll finally be free. We're gonna go and hit that reset. Yeah, we're gonna go and hit that reset button. Nothing's gonna stop us. The oligarchs just want to eat us like mutton, so we're gonna go and press that reset button. Yeah, it's hard to resist feeling somewhat depressed that the truth has been completely suppressed. Forced to stay, must get up out of their hole and not spread the propaganda designed for control. One thing that I know is that they're not going quietly. They'll try to stabilize, probably violently. Mustn't be frightened to stand up for what's right. Let them deceive you to betray in the light. Yeah, one of these days will with their reset button. And then just like that, like all of a sudden, power and the influence of the oligarchy will all fall apart. We'll finally be free. Really? Are we gonna do that? Come on now. Let's actually do it. Come on, let's finish this out. Let's actually do this, okay? I'm looking at you, everybody. Oh, go ahead and reset button. Will we be forgotten by our future history? Or will we, as humans, access our nobility? Will we have the courage and the foresight to see that we can, as a species, finally be free? Oh yeah. Reset. Oh yeah. That reset. Have a nice day. Do what makes sense.